Welcome everyone, and in this tutorial I will be teaching you guys how to create animated GIF logo in Photoshop CS6. So let's start. We start by first of all creating a solid color of our choice, but in this tutorial we will use a solid color with a color black. Now let's go to adjustment layer, click on solid color. Now we are going to choose black as the solid color. Now after that we click OK. Now we have created the solid color. The next step, let's add the shape to it. Now click on custom shape and choose the shape you want for this tutorial. Now in this I'll choose this refinery shape for this tutorial. I'll choose the refinery shape for this tutorial. So let's look at it. Now click and drag it to paste the shape. Then you choose the color. Let's make it to be black. We make it to have the same color with the background. Now after that we go to layer style, click on blending option. Now locate gradient overlay and choose the color you want it to have. Now let's choose black and blue. Now let's change this white color to blue color. Let's change it to blue. I think that's okay. Now we click OK. Now you click and drag on this color, stretch it. You do the same thing here, click and drag. Then you create another color by double clicking and choosing blue color. Now you click OK and click OK again. Now on this style we choose angle, make it to be angle and click OK. Now let's add the text to this design. Let's add it at the bottom of this design. Let's make it crop tutorial. Now crop tutorial. Then let's make adjustment to the text by click and drag on it. Here, click and drag on it. You make some adjustment to this. This is wonderful. Now you click OK. Now we do the same thing to this text. Go to add layer style, blending option, and click on gradient overlay and choose the same color we choose at the shape. Now let's make it lighter blue and click OK. You make the same thing here. Create another color by double clicking and make it lighter blue. Click OK and OK. Now we make sure the style is on angle. Now let's make adjustment to this gradient. Let's make a little bit adjustment to this gradient. I think this is okay. Now click on OK. Click OK. Now as you have seen this, we are going to make it to be moving. That's the colors to be moving, to be changing positions. So we can do this by clicking on Windows, click on timeline. Now click on create video timeline. Now in this create video timeline, you locate the one labeled shape 1 you locate the one labeled shape 1 and click on the drop down button at the side. Click on layer style to activate the style. Click on style to activate the style of this shape we are seeing here. Now after activating it, we double click on the gradient overlay under this shape. Now adjust the angle and click OK. Click and drag. Double click again on the gradient overlay and adjust the angle. Click OK. Now click and drag again. Then click on the gradient overlay and adjust the angle. Click OK. So we are going to continue doing this so we are able to finish this space we are seeing here. It's not a must that you finish it, but I will advise you to finish it if you want a very wonderful design. Now I click and drag again to change position. Click OK. Now click again and drag. Click on gradient overlay. Change the position. Click OK. Click again on the gradient overlay. Change the angle. Click OK. Now the last one, we click on gradient overlay and click on gradient. We make sure we remove all those black colors that are added to it, and make sure we are seeing the whole shape and click OK. OK. Now we drag this in back and locate the text, which is eCrop tutorial. Click on the style to activate it. Now the same thing we did to this shape is what we are going to do to this text. So let's begin. Click on this gradient overlay. You change the direction of the angle. Click OK. Click and drag again. Double click on the gradient overlay. Change the direction of the angle. Click OK. Click and drag again. Double click on the gradient overlay under eCrop tutorial and change the direction of the angle. Click OK. So we continue doing this so we are able to finish it. Now after adjusting the angle, you now click OK. Now you do the same thing to this. Click here and shift. Double click on the gradient overlay. Now you adjust the angle again. Then click OK. Now for this last one, you double click on the gradient overlay. Click on the gradient. Make sure you remove the black colors. Then after that, click OK and OK. Now you take this back. You take it back, and now see what you have done so far. So it gave us source beautiful thing. Now after this, you go to file. Now go to save for web. Instead of going to save or save as, you go to save for web for this effect to take place. Now you make sure it's on GIF on this picture format. Make sure it's on GIF. Then after that, you click on save. Let's save it with eCrop T and click on save. Now we are going to wait for it to save. Now after saving, Let's minimize it and see what we have done so far. Now let's see what we have done so far. Now this is what we just designed now. Such a beautiful thing. So I hope you are able to learn something from this tutorial, and don't forget to leave a comment below in the comment box. Thanks for watching.